Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a rainbow design in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. Once you have opened your Adobe Illustrator, you need to select the ellipse tool by right clicking on that and click on ellipse tool. Once you do that, you need to create a circle by holding the shift key. Now I'm going to place the circle in the middle. And now I'm going to change its fill to the stroke. And now I'm going to increase the stroke to almost 15 points and click on enter. Now by going to the stroke panel, you need to align the stroke with the outside. Now we have the circle with us, and now select this and click on object, and here on the object click on path and click on offset path. And now as we added the stroke of 15 points, I will add the offset for 14 and now click on OK. And now we have to repeat this step 7 times. And now select all of these and click on object and click on expand appearance. With this, all of the stroke is now converted into fill. Now choose the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle in just middle of that. And now select the selection tool and select both of these. And then select the shape builder tool. By holding the Alt key, just remove this part. Now we have the pattern for the rainbow. Now let's add the colors for the rainbow. For that, I have these colors with me. I will also leave the color codes in the description as well. If you want to download them, just check that out. First, I'm going to select this and use the eyedropper tool to select the color. I'll do the same with the other one. And there you go. And now you have made your own rainbow design in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.